Hazrat Abu Zur'a reports that Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to remain silent for a while between the takbir tahrima and the recitation of the Quran. I, Abu Zur'a, think he, Abu Huraira said, used to pause for a while. I said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, may my parents be sacrificed for you. What do you do during your silence between the takbir and the recitation? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would say, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, remove my sins as far from me as there is a distance between the east and the west. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, cleanse me from sins as a white garment is cleaned from filth. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, wash away my sins with water, snow and hell. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 744.